Hey everybody, welcome to part 6 of how to design a simple garden. Now we're going to explore the control panel a little more in depth. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the ruler tool, which can be extremely helpful as you're measuring the spacing between your garden beds and other elements. So you're going to find this in the control panel right down here. It looks like a little yardstick or a little ruler. As you add more elements to the page, maybe it's important that this element here, which is maybe a patio or something in the future, is a specific distance from your back garden bed. So if you want to measure any 2 points, you can always click and then drag to determine how far apart these are. So that's 2.3. That's good to know. That's great. If I want to save that measurement, I can always hit save, and then it's saved as a line in my canvas. And I have that as a reference. But if I know that I want to kind of just keep in mind a specific distance, so let's say instead of 2.3, I really needed this to be like 2.75 feet, then I can add that. That's added as a reference line here. I'm going to click that. First thing I'm going to do is change the color because it's too similar to this other half circle shape that I have. And I'm going to make it, let's see, I don't know, we'll make it purple. So let's do that. Then I'm going to just rotate it. So let's do that. And then one more. Oh, I can do it from here too. Great, perfect 90 degrees. I could have just used this handle here to, quickly rotate it, but whatever. So now I have this. I'm going to drag this to pretty much the same spot. And now that I know for a fact that this is, oh, you know what? And I can add, show side length on canvas, 2.75. Great, that's exactly what we want. I'm going to delete this other one, or maybe I'll just move it. I'll put this one over here, move this one back to the center. And I can make sure that these are centered by using this quick center tool. Great, now it's in the exact center. And I can do the same for this, actually. It's kind of cool. Center vertically. Great. Budged over a tiny bit. I am going to drag this until it is just at the edge. And now I know for a fact that the apex of this curve is exactly 2.7 feet away from this garden bed. So lines and the ruler tool are a really handy way to keep track of how far apart all of your elements on the garden page are. So once again, we can just double check. We made this line, but let's say we want to start here, drag all the way down to here, and whoop, come on, 2.75. Let's save it, see how it looks. There it is. Yeah. So that's kind of just your crash course on the ruler tool and the line tool.